Hey guys, welcome back to another live. I hope everybody's doing great. We're back here again live to trade, analyze, and learn. Let's get the lights up. Let's get the lights up here. I'm gonna just share this live to the Telegram. Get more people to join. Just join. Welcome to the live. I hope you're great. Let's get the lights up. Thumbs up button, guys. Up. It's September 24th. Right. So guys, let's hit the thumbs up button. We're gonna get started with the analysis very soon here. I just need everybody to hit the thumbs up button so we can get started soon. So we're gonna analyze gold. All right, we'll look at gold here. We'll look at BTC as well. Let me open Bitcoin here on the screen. Bitcoin today. Yesterday's analysis is definitely still around the same area. Let's get the next up. There's any major news that's coming at all? Let's see. So this is the place where you want to go to if you ever want to like check news. It's factor. See any sort of news that's coming out. Okay, for the pair that you're trading. See here. Since we're trading gold, I'm more focused on the USD news. Okay. This is also very relevant in Bitcoin. Pretty much any pair that's trading against the USD, and you want to always focus on the USD news. So far, I can see we have a high impact news here at around 8, but this has already passed. So, other than that, there's no other major news for today for the USD. Okay, for tomorrow, there's really nothing. We have medium impact news here. First one is at 8. Next one is at 8. I believe this is Eastern time. No, actually, Mountain time. Okay. This is Mountain time, right? But for today, there's nothing major. So we are go. All right. I'm gonna start with the analysis. I need everybody to hit the thumbs up button. Please hit the button. Let's get the up. I was trying to go live on TikTok, but unfortunately, TikTok just I don't know. TikTok is super annoying. Like it basically made it so I can't go live right now. Like I guess TikTok does not like the word trading or Forex, Bitcoin. It doesn't like those words. It sees it as fraud and scam. So yeah, so right now they've basically paused my live access again. So I cannot go live on TikTok until the next couple of days. So for now, I'll be going live on YouTube. Okay, this is why I was telling you guys to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube because YouTube is our backup plan. In fact, I even love YouTube better when it comes to like doing live streams. YouTube is a lot better experience, okay? Although the views are not that high compared to TikTok, but I believe with consistency, more and more people are going to start joining this live on YouTube. And you guys can help make that happen by liking, okay? The more engagement. Why is your mic choppy? Really, my mic is choppy? Can you hear me? Hear you perfectly. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? King Chosen. think Chosen can hear me. What about the others? Can you guys hear me? Hey, Jaft can hear me. Thank God. Okay, so I guess it's fixed now. Whatever. So guys, just to let you know, I'll be coming live on YouTube from now on until the next couple of days. My live access for YouTube, I mean for TikTok, is going to be restored on Friday. So until then, I cannot go live on. Yeah, until then, I cannot go live on TikTok. Okay. Anyways, let's get the likes up. We're already at six likes. If everybody who's watching the live can please hit that thumbs up button, I really appreciate it. Okay, really appreciate it. So I'm gonna start by analyzing here. We'll take a look at gold. Start by the daily time frame. We sort of like look at gold already yesterday, so yeah, I'm not gonna go too deep into it. Okay, all we gotta know is that gold currently is in an uptrend. Okay, price is currently in uptrend, and we're currently forming a new high here on this daily time frame. Price hasn't done any type of retest on the daily time frame at all. So basically, on this daily time frame, we technically can buy gold. You shouldn't be buying gold if you're trading based on this movement on this daily time frame. Okay, this market structure, it's not a good time to buy gold yet. It's best to wait for the price to do a retest either around 2600 or around 2660. Okay, so yeah, so for now you have to wait. None of that has happened yet, and for this option to continue from this time frame, we need to hold 25.45. Okay, gold technically can break below 25.45, otherwise I mean this downtrend is coming to an end. Okay, so what I think right now, either one will come back to 2600 and then hold the support to move higher, or it's going to try to build a new support from where it is. Okay, so we're going to wait for that to happen. I'm going down to the 4-hour time frame. So on this 4-hour time frame here, what we are seeing is that price is still going higher and higher. We're forming higher highs and higher lows. You know, we did get sort of some type of retracement along the way here as the price has been going up. The last one that we had was here at 26.23. So 26.23, that was our low from yesterday. The price built. So that is now currently the major support price needs to hold in order for us to keep moving higher. If it ends up breaking below this, then we'll most likely. So now this becomes a very interesting area for me to look at buying opportunities. Okay. This is between 26.22 and 26.28. Okay. And then we did get rejected here at 26.40. We got a rejection there. Price is currently retesting that resistance. Let's see if it's going to be able to break it. Okay, going down to the 1-hour time frame here, we see pretty much the same thing. Now we see the price actually retested this support multiple. This is the support of 26, 23, 26, 27. We got quite a retest on that level here, as you can see. First time was here and the second time. Okay, so we've held that support at least 3 times now. Okay, so that's interesting. Now price is currently at this resistance, which I think it's going to be able to break it. Okay, just because gold is extremely bullish, and yeah, it's extremely bullish, and it's just showing signs that it wants to just keep pushing higher and higher. So I really think price is going to break this resistance any moment from now. It should break that resistance. So what I'm doing right now is I'm not going to enter any trade. Okay, number one, because I would have wanted to enter a buy, but I've already missed the best area to buy, which would have been down over here. This would have been the best area to buy here. But since I've missed that, now price is at resistance. Usually when the price is at resistance, you want to enter sell, right? However, there is no sign that the price has gotten rejected, so I'm not going to enter a sell yet. Okay, unless I see signs of rejection, then sure, we can enter a sell. But for now, none of that has happened, so it wouldn't make sense for me to enter a sell. Okay, for now, it's best to just wait for the market to break this resistance, okay, of 26.40. We break that resistance, great, then we're going to go higher. Look at that, it's already breaking that resistance. Okay, so it's breaking that resistance. Now what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to scale down to 30 minutes. Let's see if there's any sort of support price is going to try to tap into. So on the 30 minutes, I don't see anything there. Let's go to 15. Scaling down to the 15-minute time frame. Alright, so on the 15-minute time frame, we do have some support here. Okay, we have a support here at 26.31. Okay, so this is something price is actually gonna try to calm down to. I will look for buying opportunity around the 26.31 there. Okay, the price decides to revisit it, I will look to enter a buy there. Down. I already have it marked down. That's area number one to buy around 26.33, 26.30. Okay, let's look at 10 minutes. Same thing. On 10 minutes, we can see that support around the same area there. Okay. 5 minutes. Let's see what's happening here. For 5 minutes, we actually have a lot more. Okay. Well, a lot of reasons for the price to come down to before it can continue going higher. These are all areas that I'm going to look for buying opportunities. I believe price is going to come down here to basically test all this support here before it moves higher. Okay, so let's see, this yellow line, I had it. Let me read the comments. If you do, hi Sarah. Okay guys, I don't know why, like, yeah, I think there's an issue with the software that I'm using that's making my voice sound a little bit choppy and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can find any good software. If you guys have any recommendation, let me know. If you know a good streaming software that I can use to do YouTube lives, then just let me know so I can start using it. Okay. If you do signals, please repeat them because sometimes words break as you speak. Okay. Okay, I'll repeat them. Is that a system that you have joined that support system zone? System. Yeah, it is a strategy. It's a strategy that I use, which I explain in my trading class. Sounds perfect to me. It may be people's internet. Wow. That gives me a lot of hope. Yeah, there's a chance. So we can see we're breaking that resistance. Okay. On the 15th, we have an area for the price to come back to tap into. So this is actually all here. Okay. Whenever I'm marking support resistance, I always connect two candles. Okay, for support I always have a red candle followed by a green candle. That gives me the support, and then for resistance it's a green candle followed by a red candle. Okay, so I mark this support. I'm connecting the bottom wick to the top wick here of those two candles. Okay, those two candles, the red and the green here. So I'm connecting it. So then we have our support. Press could come back to, and if it does, this could be a good area to buy. On this 10-minute time frame, we're seeing a really nice bullish candle above that resistance. 5 minutes as well, we're seeing a nice bullish candle, but don't get too excited. Don't go and place a buy right now. It's too risky, okay? It's best to wait for that retest to happen. Super, super, super important. We're gonna just be patient. All right. This market, you want to learn to be patient. Okay. So now I will analyze something else while we're waiting for the market. Remember, this is my area to buy. This is between 26.30 and 26.37. These are areas that I want to look for buying opportunities. Price has not come to that area, so I'm not going to buy anything for now. Okay, I'm going to wait for the market to either form a new support or to come back to this supports here. Yeah, let me go and look at other things. Let's look at Bitcoin here. Yeah, so we're gonna look at Bitcoin. Let's see. So currently Bitcoin is at 63,000. All right, so basically nothing really much has happened. Price is still moving sideways. Okay, I did analyze it on yesterday's live, and I told you guys price is because of the daily candles, we are sort of like bearish, because we did get rejected. The previous candle was a bearish candle, we got rejected, so I'm anticipating that Bitcoin is going to try to come down to 60,600, and when it does, okay, support holds 60,500, then we could buy around there. Okay, 60,500, that's area number 1. For 2, let's go to 4-hour. Let's see if there's else. On the 4-hour, we also have support at 61,800, which Bitcoin could actually tap into. 61,000 61,800 is another area of support which Bitcoin should tap into. So if it does come down to this support and the support holds, I would buy for Bitcoins, because we are in an uptrend, right? Since we are in an uptrend, I want to look to buy, not to sell. The only time I'm going to sell is if Bitcoin ends up breaking below the previous higher low, okay, which is on the daily time frame here. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin is going to be bearish if it breaks below 57,000. Okay, if it breaks below 57,000, then the market is going to turn into bearish. Okay, but for now it's currently bullish because it's higher highs and highs, bullish formation. Okay, yeah. Okay, Bitcoin here, literally there's no really buying opportunities right now. Price is just ranging. Okay, it's just ranging here between the support 62,090 and 64,000. It's just ranging around this support and resistance. So at this point, okay, oh yeah, by the way, my target from yesterday actually got hit. So yesterday when I analyzed Bitcoin, price was actually here, okay, at 63,000, and I told you guys buy Bitcoin because price is most likely heading back up to 63,800, about there. Okay, so the buy signal was given here on the TikTok live. First target was 63,500, which price got hit. It hit that perfectly well, and then the last target, or the second target, was 63,800 up there. So we can see price actually did hit that target as well. And our last target was 64,400, which price actually didn't hit. And I told you guys, Bitcoin is only gonna remain bearish. What made you jump on that trade? What made me jump on what trade? Bitcoin is gonna remain bearish as long as it's remaining below 63. We can see we actually didn't get a break at 63,800. We need Bitcoin to close above 63,800. Okay, for this, so we sort of did. I think this was a fake out. We can see it because immediately after that close price fell back down. It was a fake out. So 63,800 is still the major resistance we need to break for us to go higher. Okay, current major resistance. What made you jump in the trade? Okay, so for the Bitcoin trade, okay, we entered a buy from here. Okay, we entered a buy from here on Bitcoin. So this move here, I believe it was after this bullish candle. Okay, so that was around 60,000. Why did I enter a buy? This area is because of the fact that price found support. Well, as the price was falling down, coming down, eventually it the support here. Okay, so we have strong support between 62,300 and yeah, 62,000 or 63,000. Okay, you can literally see this is support because anytime price comes here, what does it do? It bounces back up. Okay, we've done that at least here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the 6th time. Okay, usually, you know, this is something that doesn't happen if once the price has hit a support at least 3 times. Usually the 4th time it will break that support. And then the same thing with resistance. But for some reason, Bitcoin has been able to hold this support for such a long time. Okay, so the reason why I decided to enter buy here is because when I noticed that Bitcoin is currently at support, and usually what you want to do is buy when the price comes to the support, right? So that's why I bought, because I noticed, okay, price is at support. That's number one. And then number two, it has given me sign that it's holding the support. What is the sign that I'm looking for that it's holding the support? Is the bullish candlestick. When I see the first bullish candlestick, that's already the first confirmation that the support is holding. Then we got another bullish candlestick. So initially I would have even placed a buy after seeing this first bullish candlestick. Okay, on this support I would have entered a buy, but I didn't. When I was analyzing it, the price was actually at the second bullish candlestick, which actually is even a stronger confirmation, even more confirmation to go ahead and buy. And I knew since the price found support here, it's most likely going to go number 63,500 because that's our previous resistance there. Okay, and then finally, if it's able to break that resistance, then the next resistance it's going to target is 63,800. Okay, so that's basically it. All right, that makes sense. So for Bitcoin, we can see it's tapping into the support once more. It's trying to hold it. Okay, we can see that price is literally giving us it's possible that it could have been a fake out. What was a fake out? The support or the resistance? So now I'm looking at it on the 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes, we have this bullish candle here, which is what do you mean is a fake out? It's not a it is not a fake out because price didn't break the support. Didn't break the support, it held the support. So it's not a fake out. There's no fake out that happened yet. The only fake out is that the resistance price did try to break the resistance here, but right after breaking it, it broke back inside. So I would say this was sort of. So yeah, so 30 minutes here, we're basically holding the support, you know. I think if this 30 minutes candle closes bullish, I could enter a buy. Okay, I'm gonna enter a buy, you know, just for the purpose of showing you guys how trading works and all that. I'll enter a buy here and then target 63,700 as my here. So come down to see what's happening. Extremely risky, but let's see. So one there. Daily, I'm very concerned. I'm just concerned about the daily time frame here, but daily time frame is not looking good. But I know we haven't fully tapped into 65,000, so there's still that high chance we could go and retest 65,000. Still that the price to retest it. So that price may not try to go down. It's gonna so maybe I think that's probably the main reason why we're holding this support. Since price has tapped into 65, it now really wants to do that. So it's trying to hold this support because in order for it to tap into 65, it technically can break below 61,000. It can break below 61,000. Once it breaks below that, then 65,000 is foregone. So right now, okay, we can see we got a bullish candle close. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and buy. It's extremely. I usually don't place buys after price has tested the support so many times. Okay, so many times I will try to buy, but because there's still that high chance price is going to tap into 65, I'll place the buy. Okay, so I'm going to place this buy on a battle.com here. This is one of the trading platform that I use and recommend. Sign up using the my buy. Okay, we just entered a buy using 3.0 lot size. Currently in a buy right now with Bitcoin. Yeah, so BTC buy. And I get it first. This is a buy that I'm taking. Target is 60. First target is 60. 62. So you guys can see how I was able to place this buy. Essentially, I just went on the battle.com. This is one of the trading platforms I recommend. I came here and then all I did was to search for Bitcoin. Okay, because initially I had gold, so I just searched for Bitcoin here. And then the two position I can take is sell or buy. Since I'm predicting price is gonna buy, so I did that. And before I enter buy, I made sure to adjust my lot size here. This is where you can adjust your lot size. Okay, 3.0 is the lot size that I use. Okay, now I basically enter buy. Okay, I'm entering price. I just entered that buy and then boom, we're negative. So yeah, this one was a little risky trade, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, stop loss. I'm targeting once price gets to 63,700. See if that resistance gets broken. If it does, then I'm gonna holding the trade and just move stop loss. I think 60. Now my stop loss is at stop loss is right here. So around 61,000 is where close this position. Okay, this is where I like to put. This is right there. So see how this trade plays out as well. And remember, if you're taking this trade, just know that it's a little bit risky, okay? Because we are buying at a support which price has basically tested so many times. Okay, usually that's usually the time when the market is gonna do fake out. Okay, it's gonna try to break it after it's held it so many times. you know? So just know it's a little bit risky. So make sure you don't risk too much on this trade, okay? Trade, don't risk too much, and if you have a small account, I advise you to stay away from Bitcoin. Don't even trade Bitcoin. You're trading like $100 account, 200. Bitcoin is not for you. Stay away from it. It's best you trade other things like USD. Gold is a lot better, okay? For you better than Bitcoin. So let's see what's happening with gold. Gold here, literally, we can see we did get the breakout. Price hasn't returned back to the area that I was looking for, looking to enter a buy, right? We didn't, hasn't tapped into this area yet. So yeah, so for now for gold, it's just a matter of buys yet. Okay. Now let's analyze GBP/USD. Let's see what's. Wow, GBP/USD is also forming a new high. This one too still is in an uptrend. And currently the key levels, number one buy is 1.3269. That's number one. Price has already retested that area. However, if it does come again, you can look to buy around there, 1.3269. Okay. And this uptrend is going to continue as long as the price doesn't break below 1.31 1.317. Don't break below that, we're still good. We can look at opportunity around there as well. Now I'm going to the time here. We're going to see what is happening. Triangle boxes here. So guys, you remember from yesterday's analysis, I did analyze this pair for you. I told you don't buy because price was literally just ranging in this zone. Okay, it was ranging between 33.40 and 33.60, which was going side to side. And I advised you guys to not buy. I said, hey, if you want to buy, or if you want to take any trade, then number one, if you to buy, either wait for the price to break above 33.60, and if it does, go ahead and enter a buy. And if you want to sell, wait for the price to break below 33.37 around there, and if it does, enter sell. So looks like the buy is the one that played out, because we can see the moment we got a breakout, the moment price broke above 33.60 there, what happened? Started going up, right? So yeah, so now we are heading up. Okay, so currently our support now to watch for this option to continue higher is 33.30. Okay, 33.30 is now the level that basically this pair cannot break in order for this trend. We have to make sure it. So I'll look for buys anywhere around here, 33.30, 33.61. These are all good areas for the market. Basically tap into and then bounce back from. Okay, but for me, I'll wait. Okay, I don't want to buy right now from where the price is. I'm going to wait for the price to either come down to the support 33.60 and buy. If it doesn't, then let the market do its thing, go higher, whatever, and then wait for it to form a new support. So that's what I do with GBP/USD. I'm not going to enter any trade. There's no good setup. Okay, it's just a matter of waiting. So Bitcoin, see how that one is doing. Nothing much. Gold, nothing much. Hello, Sarah. Hyper winner. Okay, what else would you like? Would you guys like me to analyze? Oh yeah, USD JPY. I did analyze that yesterday as well. So let me get up. So this is USD JPY. By the way, my analysis on USD JPY from yesterday's live actually also just played out pretty well. I actually analyzed this and I told you guys to enter buy. Okay. I personally didn't enter a buy because I don't trade every single thing. Okay. I only trade mainly gold, GBP USD, Bitcoin. Okay. But if I do see a really good setup, I would take it. But I try not to trade on every single thing I analyze, right? So USD JPY is something that I actually analyzed yesterday, and I told you to enter a buy here. Okay. When the price was at, I believe, 143 or something. So it was like right here. And I said enter buy because price is going to go up to 144.30. It's going to go and target that high. And then, yeah, that's area target number one. And then after that, the second target was, actually, there was no second target. There's no second target. It was just 143.30. And then we can see right after the analysis, well, price kept going up and going up and going up. It hit that target 144.30. It even went higher, and then we got rejected. The price had to come back down. Okay, but this pair here, I would say, hi Sarah, will gold go down anytime soon? I cannot really say that. Yeah, I can't really tell you whether. Thanks, Sarah. I made 4,000 tomorrow. Or you mean yesterday? Following your tip. Wow. That is amazing. That is an amazing testimony. I'm super happy. Congratulations to you, Vishal. Congratulations. Which of my signals did you take? Was it the one on USD JPY or was it the one on gold? So, oh, on gold. Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. So for gold, sell 10. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Okay, so you took profit at 26.32. Then the surplus was at. Okay, so yeah, so for gold right now, I really can't tell you when the price is gonna go down, okay? Because right now we haven't seen any like how do I say this? We haven't seen any bearish patterns on the higher time frame. So I'm talking 1 hour. I haven't seen anything yet. All I see is that 1 hour broke the resistance. Okay, we just broke the resistance right now on this 1 hour time frame. 2640 was our resistance. We can just see we got a massive bullish candle closing above that resistance. So that is a breakout. Okay, so now the most important thing to now do, this is something I always do. Now I'm going to shift my support. Okay, now our new high, okay, is now at 26.23. I mean, technically, I didn't even need to shift it. It's basically around the same area. Okay, so yeah, so that's now our area price um hold. Okay, I just joined. How much have I missed? Well, you missed quite a lot. You can always watch the recording of this live. It is recorded, and yeah, once I'm done this live, it will be posted on my YouTube channel, so you can always go back and rewatch it. Okay? So yeah, so for now, since we broke, area number one to buy is when the price comes back down to 2640. Okay, 2640 is one area I will look to enter buy. Okay, and other area to look for buy is around 2623. So this box here, 26 sorry, not 2623, 2630 and 2636 there, that would be a good area to enter buy. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the lower time frame. So on the 5 minute, we still don't see any signs that price wants to come down at all. Nothing of that sort. Okay, nothing of the sort. Well, even on the 30 minutes, we ain't seen nothing. Seen nothing. Okay, so on the 30 minutes, we did get this massive bearish candle here. Okay. However, it's not very significant. The price is going to try to this. That's what it's doing. For that. And yeah. So a bearish movement. Okay, this is for educational purposes. When the price is as the price is moving up, okay, in an uptrend and all that, usually the best area for you to enter sell, okay, is when we form a new low, a lower high, okay. As the price is moving higher and higher, forming higher highs and higher lows, once it forms a lower high, usually that is a bearish signal. That is usually the beginning of it. Okay, once it forms a higher low, it is the first signal that the uptrend might be coming to an end. The next thing you want to now see is the price to break the previous low, okay? Because the downtrend is not confirmed unless price breaks below that previous higher low. Even if it forms a lower high, as long as it's still above the previous higher low, then technically the uptrend can still continue. Okay. So for gold, we don't see none of that. Okay, we haven't seen any signs of lower high and break of the previous higher low. So that's why I really cannot tell you price is about to go down. What strategy do you use? So as for my strategy, it's very simple. I always say it. I sort of talk about it. Okay. On the live, but I go into more details about it on my trading class. So if you want to really learn strategy exactly very well, from exactly what I use to enter and all that, then you need to join my trading class. Okay, you can go and fill in the form right below the description of this video, and then fill the form to sign up for my trading class. The next class is gonna start in October. All right, but to just be simple, my strategy mainly involve trading with a trend. Basically, I have a way that I look at the market, which most people don't. Okay, I basically trade the market structure, whatever the direction the market is heading. That's where I'm gonna trade, right? But there's a way that I look at the market, which I'm able to basically predict. Okay, price is about to go up or price is about to go down. So these are all things that I've been able to learn, and I teach that in the trading class. Okay, so yeah, so now USDJPY, like I said, this pair here is also still in an uptrend, and for right now, in order for this uptrend to continue, we have to hold. Need to go daily time. Let's check out the daily time. So see. So daily time frame, we still are in a trend. I did an about it. We're in a downtrend, and for this downtrend to be over, we need a daily candle closing above one daily candle to close at 144.60. Okay, if we get a daily candle closing above 144.60, then that could signal here on this frame. Okay, so far we haven't gotten that. And then on this 4-hour time frame, we are sort of in an uptrend here. And then this uptrend, basically for it to continue, price has to make sure it holds above 141, okay, 140.60 or 70 there. This is a good area. Market needs to make sure it doesn't break below in order for this uptrend to continue. Okay, and then currently price is currently sitting as support, so this could be a good area to enter buy. Okay, this could be a good area to buy. So 143.15, 143.67. Let's see what the 1-hour time frame has done so far. Okay, so we haven't seen any signs the market is holding that support. Okay, all we're seeing right now is the price came to the support. but we have not seen any. It's going to support. So I would say wait for the current 1 hour candle. If that candle closes bullish, you can go ahead and enter a buy and then target number one, 144.20, number two, 144.40. Okay, but only if we get current 1 hour candle. Okay, has to close bullish, and there's like 40 minutes left. It's 40 minutes left for that. Okay, patience is key. Let's see gold. Yeah, it's unfortunate I haven't really been able to take really good trade. Well, I have this trade on Bitcoin, which is currently running. Okay, oh wow, we are in profit. 185 profit for the Bitcoin trade. So yeah, this is the only trade I've been able to take so far this live. I trade on Bitcoin, it's at 239. So I guess, I guess that's good. I'm gonna close out on that trade. I'm actually, no, I'm not gonna close. I'm gonna keep holding it and then just see. I want to see when the price gets to 63,800. I want to see if it's gonna be able to break that resistance. If it does, then I will just move my stop loss to the next support that it formed. So yeah, that's it. Let's see, gold. Now we are seeing some type of a bearish move. Gold. Okay. We can see here we got a high. We got this high. We got rejected. Price came down. It built support here. And now basically it went back to reach this high RH. Okay. So now only risky. Let's see what the price is going to do here. It's tapping into support. See if the market is, if it holds it, enter a buy here, but then the profit wouldn't be that much. Price is already pushing up, so I can't enter a buy right now. I can't, because as already, I would have, if I enter a buy here, this would have been a quick scalp here, and I get out. It's 26.47, but we see price literally is pushing up there. Let's see. I want to see how this candle here is going. Okay, this is at least down here, that'll be good. But if we close all the way, then I'm not. So my target has already hit. So yeah, so for gold here, let's see. We're getting rejected. Okay. I'm so tempted. It's too late. I'm gonna wait, okay, just because since the market hasn't retested this support here, 26.40, there's a very high chance it's gonna try to come here. So I'm gonna be patient and just wait for the price to come here. If it does, that will be the best area for me to actually buy. Entering a buy here, it's just too risky, because just too risky. So it's not gonna enter here. I'm gonna wait for 26.40, 26.37 around. Okay, patient is key. We don't want to chase the market. Let the market come to us. So let's look at AUD USDs, as someone has requested it. Zimbani has requested it. So I'm gonna do that one. Let's look at this here. Let's see. Oh. Let's get the likes up, guys. Please hit the thumbs up button. Please. Get the thumbs up button for this, please, I beg. These are all my analysis from the past, which I'm just well since staying. So hit the thumbs up button, guys. I need you to please hit the thumbs up. Alright, so I'm looking at AUD here, and I see this market is very choppy. There's no, like, how do I say, on the daily time frame, it's a little bit hard to see. It's really very hard to see the movement. Okay, I have to zoom in. So yeah, the trend here on this pair is very. We had an option price broke, okay, started high, and then now we come down here. What's happening though is the price is currently at a resistance point. Okay, this is a resistance that's basically on the time frame. Okay, a very strong resistance there on the time frame. So yeah, so basically I think price at this point we need to see a breakout. I wouldn't buy at this point. We need to see a breakout. If we break at 69.13, then you can look for a buy and then target this high of 77. Okay, because once the price breaks above 69, okay, 69.13 or whatever, it's gonna straight up go to 71. It's gonna go around 71.17 there. Okay, so you can target that the breakout here. Enter buy. Price breaks above 69.13, and then this is technically on this weekly time frame. Let's just see. Let's see. We had a move here, a bearish move. Then we had this high. Price is going upward. It's eliminated. So we had another. It's also broke, cancelled. So now a previous higher low on the weekly frame. See, we have a low here. Okay. So 66. Yeah, 66. 11 is now the level that we can have this weekly time frame. In order for the price to push higher, we can break below. I just mark that down here. Yeah, so now on this daily time frame, you can see more price is currently for a new high there. I will make this, let me make this gray just so we can see it better. And I'm gonna mark this, make this yellow, just to line. So now the chart actually looks. So what we see here is the price currently has broken our resistance here. This is the resistance daily time frame. Broke it here to 68.23. Okay, that is that. Now this is our resistance on the week. I mean support on the weekly, but I want to focus just on the daily first. Okay, I'm going to focus on the resistance or the support. Sorry, the support on the daily time frame here. So this is the support that we cannot break below 66.87 in order for this up to continue. Okay, so I'm interested in looking for a buy because I know this market here is obviously in a higher trend. Okay, obviously it wants to keep moving higher, but for now I can't buy because price is forming a new high, so I'm not gonna buy at that price level. I'm either gonna, number one, wait for the price to break this current resistance, okay, of 69 13. If it breaks above the resistance, then I'll wait for the retest, and then I will look to enter buy at the retest there. If that happens, great. Otherwise, the other best area for me to buy would be around 67.97. And so this would be a good area if price revisits 67. Yeah, actually 67.82, 67, 68. Okay, so anywhere between 67.82 and 68.20 around there. If price revisits this area again, this would be a good area for me to want to enter buy. Okay, so yeah, but none of that has happened, so I'm not going to enter any buy right now. We're going to wait. Let's go to the 4-hour. So we actually have a lot of there's a lot of liquidity down here for the market. Okay, all of these are actually this. So there's very high possibility the market could retrace back down here to 67 before it push back up. Okay, so I'll look for that, either buy here when the retest happens, or wait for this resistance to be broken, 69.13. This is our resistance here that we need to break. Okay, let's just say 69.05. Okay, to break that, then we will enter a buy at the retest. Okay. Oh, so tired. Entry. My chart is just reloading. So for Bitcoin, it's still a good area to be buying. Okay, I'm currently in a buy. This is an extremely risky buy, but I'm in a buy anyways. And the target number 1 is 65,500. Okay, the target number 2 is 60. Sorry, not 65. Target number 1 is 63,500. And then target number 2 is 63,800. 63. Okay, so you've already analyzed that, and now we understand what's going on. So we're gonna check. Let's check GBP. Really no good. Let's see here. Basically, yeah. So GBUSD is still not a good area to buy yet. Nothing there. Let's see if we can find anything else. Let's look at US 100. So with US 100 here, see what's happening in the daily time. As always. Shorting BTC, very risky. You need to be careful because price is at the support, and usually you don't want to sell at support. You want to buy at support. Okay? So I wouldn't sell BTC at this point. Alright, so US 100. I can see we have this nice trend. Prices basically have started. Next thing the price needs to do now, okay, because it is currently in this uptrend, it's pretty obvious. Okay, we now need to break this previous high over here at 19,900. Okay, need to break that previous high, and price is currently at that previous high. So yeah, so I'll be very careful with selling, okay, because there's a high chance it's going to break this resistance here very soon. And once it breaks it, it's heading to 20,400. It's heading to 20,400. Now on this daily time frame, mark this. This is now our level break. This up. Continue. That super percent. Now see prices of support here. Some support that's building here. It's not very area to watch. Look, here's 100 now. We had the support price form, came up. Yeah, it went up. Yeah, that's coming back again, and now the current candle looking bullish. Okay, this is 4 hour. And then obviously the resistance is here 962. So I would look to enter buy, but this pair here is very like, yeah, I want to enter buy, but because price is currently at resistance, it's just too risky. Usually don't want to buy at the resistance. Okay, let's see. If I do enter buy, this is an extremely risky trade, but if I do enter buy, you want to set your stop loss. Want to set your stop loss at 19,600. 600 is where you set your stop loss, and then you want to target basically this high. See it on the 1 hour. Actually, yeah, you can. But once the price breaks this, the next high it's going to target is 20. This is over here. It's our next resistance there. Okay, so I will target that area there. Bye. This one. So yeah, this is the trade, okay? Cheap US 100. If you want to be extra safe, okay, either if you want to enter a buy right now, wait for the 1 hour candle here, okay, the current 1 hour to close. Yeah, there's small stop loss. I know usually my stop loss is quite. So for this US 100, I'll say let's wait for the current 1 hour to see how that candle is gonna close. Okay, if it closes bullish, then that would be a good sign. We can buy right away. But if it closes bearish, don't enter buy. Okay, it's done. It's candle. That's number one scenario to buy. Number two, we can wait for the price to break its resistance. Okay, we can wait to see. We need to see a 1 hour candle, bullish candle closing above 19,960. Okay, 960. See a nice bullish candle closing above 960. That would be also another good signal. Go ahead and buy. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically it. There's still 22 minutes left this candle to close. Once it closes, then we can now place our buy and stuff. Which trade is best for small accounts to build on? So my gold trade is usually good because this is very good, very high probability. A lot of the signals that I send on has high probability. Okay, so I'll say take the signals that I send on gold and GBP USD. I don't send that much signal on GBP USD and stuff. However, I'm gonna actually start analyzing that market often. so I can start giving out some more signals GBP USD. Okay, that now. And then Bitcoin, if you have a small account, stay away from Bitcoin, because that is one thing that's going to blow you up. It will definitely eat up your, which would be the level we have to buy. For what? Which one are you referring to? For the Bitcoin trade, guys, please be very careful, okay? I don't even encourage you guys to take it. Okay, just be careful, because there's a bit of a risky trade there. But the US 100, that one is more for sure. That one is less risky, as long as we get this 1 hour bullish candle closing. So I'm sure US 100. Bitcoin is like, I would say like 65%. Oh. Later. Okay. Hey guys, sorry about that. So coffee is good. Yeah, I don't really drink coffee. I don't drink coffee since, yeah, it's not very good. Yeah, good for me. So I try to stay away. I used to drink it a lot, but once I noticed the side effects, I'm like, stop drinking. Okay, so far we've analyzed gold. Okay, really gold. Oh, it's back at the support. Okay, it's back at the support. I think gold is gonna come to at least 2640. Okay, look to enter a buy around here. We enter sell gold. I wouldn't enter a sell right now because we are basically at support on this 1 minute time frame. Not a good idea. So we need to wait. We need to wait to get a bearish candlestick which marks our resistance. None of that has happened. Well, on the 15 minutes, we do see 15 minutes here, we're seeing bearish candlestick here, which could be good enough. Let's wait for this next 15 minutes close. If it closes, okay, what I want to see this close below the support 642. If we get a candle here close below that, that'll be good to sell. Be good to enter sell. I'm seeing here price is currently coming on. It's coming. If this 1 minute, if we close below 640, then you can enter a sell, because I think after that it's gonna dump. What's the stop loss for Bitcoin? The stop loss for Bitcoin is 62. Okay, 62,000. First 100 is and so I am going to buy. I'm actually going to enter by my account. This one. Okay. So sorry guys for the silence. Yeah, so if you're gonna join this buy on first 100, let me just type it in. Okay, so buy it's currently a resistance. Just wait. So these are the digits right there for this trade. So now what I'm going to do, let me actually go to the 5 minutes. Go to the 5 minutes just so we can see what's happening here. So we can see the price is breaking down 30. We could have a retest because the possibility price could come back down. Let's grab all this really down over here. Okay, don't be surprised if you see the price come back down to 19,870. That's just a retest. Price would actually come back down to, so you can actually look to enter another buy around this area. So 19,871. Yeah. So 19,871, 1900. These are all good areas to buy. I'm buying. Yeah. So can someone use gold to build this? Okay. Cool. So we can see the price is breaking out, guys. Breaking out. So I've already entered the buy on this one here. This 100 buy. So here are the targets. Okay. TP1 is at 2000, TP2 is at 20. Stop loss 19. So this is a swing trade. Okay, this is gonna most likely take a while to hit the target. Oh, now you should be selling gold. Okay, let me go. Ah, man, missed the sell on gold, y'all. Ah, that's unfortunate. I was not looking at the gold chart. So I literally missed. Remember, I told you guys the moment we break below this support, okay, 19,400. Sorry, 20,440. My goodness, 2642, right? We can see the moment gold broke below it, guess what? Boom, it's crashing. So, yeah, I knew this was gonna happen, but we missed it. So now, what do? Do we just jump in and keep selling? No. We don't do that. Okay, at this point it's best I would wait for the price to do a retest, okay, of this resistance. If it does retest and gets rejected again, then I will enter a sell. But for now, I don't want to enter a sell because price is currently sitting at this support, okay, 2640. is a support the price could actually bounce back from. Okay, so but for now, yeah, you just need to wait. Either one, wait for the price to retest back to 26.42. If it gets rejected, enter a sell. That's number one. Or number two, you can look to enter a buy when the price comes down to around 26.37, 26.30. Those are all good areas for gold to bounce back up. Damn, the US 100 is going great. What an amazing pump. Okay, what an amazing pump that is. Look at that. We got the nice breakout. Okay, very beautiful breakout. Now, yeah, we can just keep this trade here. For those who didn't enter, you can still enter. Okay, you can enter around 19,020, 920 there if the price retest that area. It has to, at least. I think it has to come back here. Okay. That could be an area to look for buys. Okay, but this thing is definitely going up. Okay, definitely going up. This was a very easy setup to spot. I knew why I took this is because price is in an uptrend, and I knew that we're most likely going to break this resistance because we've already tested it like a couple times and we rejected. And remember, the fourth time is usually when the price is going to break resistance. That's pretty. Oh wow, look at gold. Okay, so gold, look at that. It's now held our support. Okay. Remember, I told you guys be very careful with selling. 26.40 is a support. You can see price has found massive support. Now I think it may try to go up. Okay, it may actually try to go up. It's gonna try to go and retest 26.47 around there. So yeah, let me go down. Let's see what this 50 is like. Okay, there's a high chance we could be building support. Or see what is 5 minutes telling us. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, 5 minutes haven't yet. So I think gold is gonna back up to 26.46 there. This could be a quick buy that you could take, but let's see. We have this formation, bearish formation, low, which the market is forming. It's not very good. Okay, I don't like this formation, so I would want to enter sell right now. Okay, I would enter sell on gold and then set the stop loss at 26.45, targets 26.40 as my TP there. Okay, see if this is gonna. This is not a good. This is bearish. Okay, forming lower highs and lower lows like this is actually bearish. Be more confident as if the price comes back to 26.40 there, and then it holds it again, then I will be more confident to enter buy. But for now, because we're forming this lower high, it's not very a good scenario to enter buy. Okay, for me to actually be very confident for a buy, I want to see the price break above this current resistance. Okay, because it is a resistance there. If gold breaks above it, then I would be more confident. Okay, for now. So it's live. Yes, this is live. Okay, guys, so for gold, yeah, I come live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, twice per day. The first time is around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Second time that I come live is around 10 p.m. Eastern time. All right. Usually I go live on TikTok. However, since my TikTok live have been paused, I can't go there. So I've started coming on YouTube, and you guys are gonna see me here more often. Join my Telegram group so you can stay connected with me, guys, and you also get some free signals that I post on my Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group by clicking the link below this video. You're going to see the link to my Telegram group. Make sure you join it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe. I think gold will go below 26.34. Shoot, 6. Well, very high possibility that could happen. Let's see. So I'll see. I want to set an alert. Set an alert. It's not working. It's what it is. What it is. I wanted to analyze something else, but this will just keep looking. See, gold is still getting rejected. I tell you, it's most likely gonna come down. It's gonna come 640 there. This liquidity is up. Scenario number 1. Scenario number 2, we break up 645, and if we do, then we're gonna go higher. Yeah, let's just be patient. Wait and see what's to do. See what else to do. Yeah. So guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna just play some music. You guys can hear it, great. If you can't, I don't know, but I'll be back. Okay, so yeah, still going. Mhm. Maybe I should stay. Maybe I should stay and wait for the breakouts to happen. Looks like it's soon. Look at that. Okay, it's about to break out. Yeah, I'm gonna enter a buy. I'm in a buy. So I'm currently in a buy right now for gold. And then I'm targeting 26.47 there as my take profit. Okay, this was a very quick buy that I entered. Okay, I took this trade on abato.com. You can see we're up by $78 there. Okay, I'm gonna close this trade very soon here. This was a quick buy, guys. Getting out very soon. Okay, so 110, 14, 113 profit, guys. So this was a quick trade. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to post it because it happened so quick, but I am getting out. Okay, the price is literally already there, so I'm actually going to get out. 122, 140, 162 profit just made on this trade. Wow, that was amazing. Okay, that was a nice trade that I just took there. So I entered this buy on gold, you know. Yeah, that's awesome. Bitcoin as well. So you can see this buy on gold. It was super quick, and I wasn't able to post it because I just, I couldn't. It was just happening too quick, and I knew the price is heading to that target here, 26.46. It was gonna hit it very quick, so I couldn't post it. But hey, I knew this was gonna happen just because we had resistance here at 26.45, which I told you, in order for gold to go higher, it needs to break this resistance. So if it can break that, then I'm gonna go and enter buy. And then we saw the breakout here. The moment gold broke above 26.45 or whatever, boom, it started pushing higher. Now I regret closing that trade. I sort of regretting it because price is now even going more higher, but hey, it's fine. I was able to make I made 150 there. I made 152 from this trade on gold just within, literally, it took what, 2 minutes? Literally took 2 minutes for me to make that profit. So that was great. Okay, that was great. And then we still have the US 100 trade on my other account, which I can't really show you it on my phone. Okay, because I also trade on FXCC, MT4. So yeah, so I'm on that US 100 buy as well. Okay, this is going to be a trade that's going to take a while for the price to hit our target. Our target is, you guys already know, 20,400, right? It's going to take a while for that. Okay, so yeah, so far this live has been successful. We've been able to take 2 trades, one on Bitcoin, which is currently running. Okay, it's currently running, and we're up by, oh, we're down, holy. Anyways, the Bitcoin trade is going to take a while, so that one we will review it on the live later today or tomorrow. We're going to take a review on that, see how that one went. But yeah, so far we've only been able to take 1 trade that's successful, one on gold, and then our current trade for US 100 also so far so good. Right now we are in profit. So yeah, I close out at 100. You close what? What trade was that? What trade was that you closed that on? Don't sell gold. Don't sell gold yet. Okay, gold is still pushing up. I'm gonna go. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Yeah, it's still going up. So I wouldn't sell gold right now. No, not a good idea to sell it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna call it a day. Okay, we're gonna call it a day. I'll come back again later today. Thank you everybody for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, join my Telegram group so you can stay connected and get some more free signals. The link is in the bio, okay? Hope you guys enjoy your day. We'll see you again later today by God's grace. All right, thank you and see you later. Bye for now. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, guys. Let's like this live, please. Thank you so much. Goodbye, guys. See you later.